This is my first audio tutorial. One of my colleague told me that we need audio should be there, and I'm trying my best to. This is the plate. I have to plan it according to scope of work. My client told me that he needs cars should be a lineup, and they need CG replacement, not just for FX purpose. They don't want to use this camera for paint or something else. They want to CG replacement these two cars or bus, whatever it may be. According to this shot and plate, I've seen that BG doesn't have point to place a 2D track. You can see there is no visible part into 2D track. Trying my best. Those who are interested to learn camera track or how to plan cine level shot or some tricky shots, we can say. If you want to go with the camera track, there is a little different thing. You can't see from 15 onwards to 30, 30 frames, 15% frames. There is no point to do a camera track, and from first frame to 13 frame you can see that you can put a point in the background and you can do the 2D track. Now I'll plan some points. I'll put on the car. I'll check alt 7. This is the CC camera plate, plate adjustment. Now I can plan and I can explain for freshers, those who are interested to do a camera track or object track or match move, how to do a camera track like that. Alt 7 I pressed and I got this image control tool. There is a This is the point menu, image control menu. You have to switch on. This is the one more menu. You have to switch it on, and this is the image controller. Gamma you can adjust, and control contrast you can adjust. You can see the proper area to do track points according to you. You have to think about it and plan it and put a point using control and left click F2 in 2D mode. I was into 3D mode. Okay, small one box is there you can see pattern area, and that pattern area you can search into that big one box. That pattern should be in the particular search area. It's a swapping. See, I'll track it, uh, open bracket and close bracket using back and front, and I can use arrow back and forth for timeline. Next frame to current frame I have to switch, toggle. I have to toggle it, and now it's switching back frame. I'll remove this frame. I'll go back again. I'll try to find out. Yeah, it's moving. See, I increased the search area again. E for end frame and start frame and end frame. You can see it's tracking, and it should be a 2D center where my cursor goes, right? While tracking, 2D center should be there. See, it's tracking. After tracking, I'll come back again. Now here you can see that I tracked over a fully car that gives me a good soul. Now I pressed Alt C and I got this value, deviation value should be 8, and it's a nice solve. And some people having issue how you got camera info, and now if client doesn't have camera info and detailing, you can start with the default whatever it may be, the height, width, and I started frame 1, and I asked client FPS only. That's it, I got the information. Now I tracked car. I'll export to the Maya, export project Maya, and we'll go back to Maya again now. Yeah, you can see here I'll import camera track where I did, and this is the camera track I did. You can see frame range here. Before importing the scene file, this is called scene file. As you can see, there is mentioned that scene, and you have to set the FPS before importing scene file. Like here, if it is a 25, you have to set it as a 25 FPS or whatever 30, who gives you information from the client. And now I have imported camera and frame range. See, I open camera track, last frame should be 28, and here I'll line up it. And once you came to the Maya, you have to lock these things because it automatically will animate. Better to lock it out. Take a 2 panel. I'll create a small geo, and I'll import car, and I'll line up it properly, and I'll get back. Yeah, here you can see that ground is moving. I have created a ground, and this thing, see, camera still not locked. Lock should be there, and I'll import a car, and I'll line up it on one frame. Yeah, I imported car, and I'll constrain with the camera track. These are the points. Okay, I have to select the camera and car. I have to make a constraint. There is already constraint because I did before I came to you. Okay, now there is no camera track, and the camera has a movement because I did object track. That's why car is not moving. I have to move camera and car according to plate. I'll show you how to do that. Now I'll take a locator, and I'll take camera movement on the locator. Okay, select camera and then locator. Make a constraint. It should be a no offset. Yeah, while recording I have some issue. That's why constraint should be like this. No offset. That means car pivot should be not car. Camera pivot should be same with the locator. Show this is camera and this is the locator. Now I'll make the locator below from second box. I break the camera, I'll delete constraint. Now I took control from the camera to locator, and I'll make again constraint. See, I'll move. Why it's locked, that's why. Why it's not moving? Yeah, it's moving. And now you can take a car, and locator should be moving on the anim layer. I'll take anim layer first frame and gradually last frame. This is my camera and it is moving forward, right? I'll take world or object. Yeah, car should move forward, straight forward, like what is the plate we can see. Now this is my first frame. It should travel around. It has a good speed. Now see, done. It's that easy. You can see the wheel offset should it's a proper. This is the basic idea for the camera track and object track for tricky shots. Now I added bus as well, and according to shot I have done bus. I'll go with the car. Yeah, it's moving forward. No, car moving forward. I have to observe it. What is going on? Yeah, in this shot you can see it properly that the car, bus, and third car also moving properly, and camera also moving. In this geo, I'm observing this center line. My geo should match with that. Speed should be, see, it has a wobbling here. I have to tweak it. Here I tried to create a geo for the BG and it is not moving properly. And now I have to take camera, geo, and locator. Everything should be on locator, and I have to take anim layer as I taken. And as I previously informed you that how to take a camera on the locator, I have taken a camera on the locator camera control. As you can see, this is the Dominic car. I have taken control of car control from the locator. You can see there is a locator. Why it goes down? Because of that pivot. And this is the another one car, and the locator for bus. And now according to those all, I'll put into the anim layer. I'll point blast this thing, and I'll try to fix it. See, I fixed it. You can see this has small switch jump moving forward voila, like this. We can tweak, and it's fixed now. See, this is my last frame, and I fixed that also. It's moving up and down. See, we can tweak it out like that. V by axis. So fixed. So moving forward, we'll take this. Yeah, I fixed it, and I'll make it. I'll show you how to. Yeah, I fixed everything. Now you can see there is this I can edit and I can fix this, this, extrude. Yeah, and it looks like something that great shooting. This I did. Now you can see this edge. It's moving properly. Small clicking is there, okay. But it has a depth issue, and you can click it into geo as well, like this. It has a depth issue, but they don't want this BG as well. They want this brown only, and I fixed this edge should be near to center in the road. According to this, I took this. I have taken this rotor line from the edge. You can see. You can touch like. You can select this and go to the modify, convert polygon into curve. See. Oh, modify polygon to curve. Yeah. This I created and now it is done. Client requirement is in the object type. You want to replace the car. I'll take a play blast and I'll get back to you again. This is our player. I took render. I'll show you. This is the car. It's done. Thank you. If you need a render and plate, I'll put it some in the reference. Plate and car models for practice purpose. See in the below link. Subscribe, like, share. Thank you.